Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel Green Tea Investments, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Disclaimer, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. The views expressed are personal opinions based on publicly available data. Green Tea Investment is not a SEBI-registered advisor. Please do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This video contains some artificially generated clips and voices. Alright, let's break down one of the biggest moves in the global auto industry this year. Tata Motors has just announced a massive €3.8 billion deal to buy Iveco Group, and it's got everyone in the business world talking. So what exactly happened? On July 30th, 2025, Tata Motors said it's making an all-cash offer to scoop up Iveco Group. The offer is going through a Tata-owned Dutch company. Tata Motors said on Thursday that it will acquire Iveco in a deal, valuing the Italy-based truck maker at €3.82 billion, which is approximately rupees 33,360 crore. But there's a twist. This doesn't include Iveco's defense business. Here's where it gets interesting. Before Tata can actually take over, Iveco is splitting up. It's selling off its defense unit to Leonardo Spa for €1.7 billion, including debt. Only after this is done will Tata take the rest, meaning commercial trucks, buses, and those iconic European brands like Iveco, FPT Industrial, and Hulies Bus. This deal is huge for Tata. Tata Motors chairman N. Chandrasekaran said, "This is a logical next step following the demerger of the Tata Motors commercial vehicle business and will allow the combined group to compete on a truly global basis, with two strategic home markets in India and Europe. In fact, it's their biggest ever auto acquisition, even bigger than when they picked up Jaguar Land Rover back in 2008. Once the paperwork is done, Tata and Iveco together will be selling over 540,000 vehicles a year, raking in a combined €22 billion in revenue. That's split 50% in Europe, 35% in India, and 15% across the Americas. Strategically, it makes a ton of sense. Tata is already a powerhouse in India and emerging markets, while Iveco is strong across Europe and Latin America. By joining forces, they're building a true global commercial vehicle giant with a presence pretty much everywhere. There's also a bit of history here. The Agnelli family, who owns a big stake in Iveco through Exor, has worked with Tata before. Remember the old Fiat-Tata partnership in India? Because of these ties, the deal's getting a thumbs up from both the Iveco board and Exor. Now, for the fine print, the deal still needs regulatory approvals in Europe and elsewhere, so things will move slowly. If all goes to plan, Tata will officially own Iveco by the first half of 2026. To sum it up, Tata is making bold moves, and this acquisition could shake up the global commercial vehicle landscape for years to come. Let's see how this new giant changes the game.